Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm finally doing my highly requested updated skincare routine video. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Ken. I basically do beauty, lifestyle and vlogging type videos. If that is your jam, hit the subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. And now let's begin. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I have got a full face of makeup on. So I thought I would start off by showing you guys how I normally remove my makeup and then how I apply my skincare. So usually with my eyelashes, I just pull them off like that. I don't ever put too much that I find that it clumps with my natural lashes, if that makes sense. Alright, we're going to start off with makeup removal, and that brings us to today's sponsor, Bioderma. So I have got the Sensor Bio H2O Makeup Removing Micellar Solution, and as you guys can see, this one has a special pump. Now, normally you get this in a bottle like this, but for a limited time only and exclusively at Priceline and Adobe Beauty, you guys can get your hands on this. If you guys would like links, I'll have them down in the description box down below. But yeah, let's begin. So I just normally put a cotton round and just do maybe 2 or 3 pumps just to soak the pad. Maybe one more, like that. I usually start with the eyes and I just place it like that. Fun fact, Bioderma was the first brand to come up with a Micellar Water back in France. It's very, very gentle, extremely gentle on the skin. It's pH balanced. It uses purified water, which makes it very, very safe for the eyes. Leaving it on like that and just swiping a little bit, and majority of the makeup comes off. This is also quite safe for people that have eyelash extensions because it won't dissolve the glue. So this was initially formulated for people that have very intolerant skin. So people that have very sensitive skin or are currently going through laser treatments, this is perfect for you. This product is actually so popular that one bottle is sold every 2 seconds around the world, which is very, very impressive. I was actually quite interested in the statistics of this product. So it says here that it eliminates 99% of makeup, removes 98% of fine pollution particles, and removes 78% of heavy metals present in city pollution. I basically just use 2 pads, one for each eye, and then I flip it over, and then I can do the rest of my makeup. And I find that they're still quite soaked enough that it removes everything else. Alright, now my skin is clean. Now, one of the big things that I have changed in my skincare routine that has definitely improved the texture and the appearance of my skin is to use a facial scrub. I'm using mild facial acids. Being that I am male and I have slightly oilier skin, I am prone to more breakouts, open pores and that sort of thing, and I have found that using a facial scrub, something like this from Frank Body, this one is the creamy face scrub. I just basically use a pea size. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that in the bathroom and come back, but I basically massage it in, and then my skin gets a little bit red. Don't be shocked, that's just how my skin normally reacts to it. And then I find that other things that I need to apply on my skin just sink in really, really quickly. Then I just grab some tissue and I just pat dry. Normally I would use a facial towel, but all my towels are in the wash at the moment. If you guys have noticed, you guys have little white bumps on the skin. It might be congestion, and usually a scrub or like exfoliators tend to do the job. Not always, it doesn't work for everyone, but I think majority of people do benefit from that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply a serum. So the serum that I've been using lately is this one from Linico, and this one is the high potency 30% vitamin C serum. So I just basically grab 2 pumps. Vitamin C, however you like to say it. Most people recommend using it in the morning. I tend to use it morning and night. It just depends if your skin can tolerate it. My skin, I'm quite fortunate. It's fine, it can handle it. And then very, very important in my skincare routine, eye cream. I cannot emphasize the importance of eye cream. I remember when I was younger, like maybe 23, 24, never really saw the point of eye creams until I hit 25, and then I noticed that, you know, without an eye cream, my under eye does tend to look a little bit more, let's just say, tired, and I could see more fine lines appearing. And then I discovered eye cream, and yeah, I have to say my under eyes look so much better. Now that I'm, what, 20, I'm turning 29 in a few weeks, guys. Actually 2 weeks. Ooh. Yeah, I'm turning 29 soon, and I have found that as I've gotten older, my under eyes tend to get quite puffy and fine lines just appear. And you know, if I don't prep my under eye properly, some days when I wear makeup, it is so obvious and my concealer just creases. it's a nightmare. After that, I go ahead and apply my night cream. So the one I'm currently using is from Medicate. This one is the Advanced Night Restore. So this came with a spatula, but I just use my finger. It's just white. It's quite creamy, quite thick on its own. Sometimes if I don't wear my serum, it's fine because this is quite hydrating in itself. And that is pretty much my nightly routine, except for the facial scrub. I don't tend to use a facial scrub every single night. I tend to use it maybe every other night, just because I don't want to strip my skin too much. Facial scrubs are great, but if you use them too harshly, too often, it can strip the skin. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys did. Tell me down in the comment box down below, what is your go-to skincare product? I'd love to hear from you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.